Hi guys, in this video we will create regular expressions with different type of options. So I have opened regexr.com. It is an amazing website where you can create different type of regular expressions and see different type of options which can be used in regular expressions. So here we have a text area where you can write the text in which you want to search, and we have a text field here. Here you can write regular expression and the matching text will be highlighted in the text area, and at the bottom you can see explanation of each element which is used in the regular expression, which is this. And you can see here we have these brackets which is used for creating the group and which have a character set from A to Z. So you can see the explanation here. And slash w means matching any word, character, alphanumeric and underscore. Plus is the quantifier, which means match one or more of the preceding token. And on the left sidebar we have cheat sheet. If you don't see cheat sheet, you have to go to menu, and here is a option cheat sheet. You can click on that, and here we have the most used elements of the regular expression which we are going to use now. So let's remove the regular expression which comes by default. Let me remove the flags as well. So right now the regular expression is blank. So let's write, for example, ABC. So what it will do is it will match ABC. Let me write ABC, and you can see it only matched once, because by default what it will do is it will only match the first occurrence. To match globally, we have to go to flags and click on global. You can see slash g flag is written here, which means it will search globally and it has matched all the occurrences of this expression which we have written, that is ABC, and it has matched 4 matches found. We can see all the 4 matches are highlighted. Now let's try the first character class, which is dot. For example, if we put a dot here, it will match a. Dot means any character except new line and then C. You can see ATC, ATC, ASC, ABC, 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 all these are highlighted. Next, we have slash W, which means word, slash D means digit, and slash S means white space. So let's test slash W. So if I put slash W, so it will match any word between A and C. So we can write some more words. For example, A4C, A, space C, A, P, C. Here you can see it has also matched A4C because 4 is also a part of word. Next we have slash D. So let's put D here, and we can see A4C is matched because it is a digit in between A and C. Next we have white space. So we have entered S here. Now you can see the word which has space between A and C is highlighted. Next we have capital W, capital D and capital S. These are the opposite of the ones which we just tried. For example, capital W means it should be anything, not word. Let's put capital W. You can see it has highlighted A space C because space is not a word. Next we have D, and here you can see it has highlighted all matches except which has a digit in between. For example, A4C has a digit. It hasn't highlighted this, but it has highlighted all the other matches. Next we have capital S, and we can see it has highlighted all the matches except which has a white space, in our case which is A space C. The other thing is we can create rectangular brackets and put some characters in it, for example A, B, C. What it means is it will match everything A, B and C. You can see any of A, comma B or C. So here we can see all the matches are highlighted A, B and C. We can also negate it. For this we have to add a caret here, and it will match everything except A, B and C. We can see the result here. We have 508 matches. Next we can create a range as well. For creating the range we have to use a hyphen, and we can create a range, for example A to C, and you can see all the matches which between A to C are highlighted, and we can for example create A, B, C, D, and we can also put D here, and you can see A, B, C, D is highlighted now. Next we have anchors. In anchors we can first see caret ABC dollar. What it means is the match should be start and end of the string. So let's test that. Caret ABC dollar, and if we put ABC, it is not highlighted yet because we have some more text after it. If we remove it, you can see it is highlighted because now ABC is start and end of the string. But if we have more text and if we want to match multi-line, for example this as well, then we can enable the flag multi-line. Now you can see this is highlighted and this ABC is also highlighted. If we put something before that, for example this is ABC, now this is not highlighted because as per the case ABC should be start of the string, right? Similarly, if we put anything after it, for example hi, now ABC is not highlighted because ABC should be end of the string as well due to this dollar symbol. So let's undo it. The next anchor we have is slash B and slash capital B. Slash B means word boundary and slash capital B means not word boundary, means it is opposite of small slash b. So let's test that. Now you can see it will only match ABC, which is a separate word. Nothing should be attached to it. It should be a separate word. For example, this ABC is highlighted and these all ABC are highlighted. If we put, for example, anything just before it, for example, R, you can see it is not highlighted because now ABC is not a separate word. It is RABC actually. So that's why it is not highlighted. And capital B is opposite of it, and now you can see it has highlighted all the ABC which is not a separate word. In this case we have this, it is not a separate word, we have R written with it, that's why it is not highlighted. And we can similarly put a slash B behind as well, for example B here. What it means is at the start it should not be a separate word, but at the end it should be a separate word. Nothing should be attached after it. For example, right now it is highlighted because as per the case capital B means it should be not a separate word from the beginning. You can see it is RABC, and slash B in the small means nothing should be attached after the string, right? If we add something after it, for example O, you can see it is not matching the case which we have written. So in this way, we can use this word boundary anchors. Next, we have escaped characters. Let's undo it and let's test the escaped characters. For example, we want to match ABC dot. To match a dot, we know that dot is a reserved element of regular expression which is used to match any character except new line. But in case we want to match dot, we can put a slash here, for example, slash. So it matched this dot. So it will match dot. For example, in case anything else is written, we have written underscore here, it is not matched. So in this way, you know that this dot and this slash dot means ABC dot. So this is matched. Next, if we want to match star as well, ABC star, for this we can write star in place of dot. Now ABC star is matched. Similarly, if we want to match a slash, we can write ABC slash here and let's add a slash in the regular expression and you can see ABC slash is matched now. Next, we have escaped characters. In the escaped characters, we have slash T for tab, slash N for line feed, and slash R for carriage return. So we can test that. For example, if we put ABC slash T, so it will match ABC, which has a tab after that. For example, if we write ABC and put a tab, now it is matched. Similarly, if we want to match a new line, for example, if we write A, B, C, we have a new line here, so it is matched. Next, we can see in the groups and look around, we have ABC written in brackets, which means we are creating a group. For example, if we want to search ABC together, we can search, for example, ABC, ABC, ABC. So this group we can search. Right now we have a group of ABC. So this is highlighted and we can see 11 matches here. Next we have slash 1. It is back reference to group 1. So what it means is, so let me give you an example. For example, we have some kind of a string. For example, test 1. Let me create a string test 1, test 2, test 3. Then again we have test 1. Now we want to search a string which has a test 1, test 2, test 3, test 1 again. So there is a simple way we can write like this. Let me add brackets here. So you can see test 1, test 2, test 3, which has a test 1 again, it is matched. For a smaller expression, it looks fine, but for the longer expression or a longer result, it should be lengthy and might not look clean. For that, we have a element slash 1, which can be used in regular expression. It is a back reference to group 1. 1 means reference to group 1. As we know that array index starts from 0, in regular expressions index starts from 1. So 1 is test 1. So test 1 has index 1, test 2 has index 2, test 3 has index 3, and test 1 has again index 4. So if you want to match index 1, then we have to write slash 1. So you can see we have the same result. So what this regular expression does is it matches test 1, test 2, test 3, then again the index which was in index 1. In our case, what was in index 1? Test 1. Yeah, you are right. So here we can see it matched this expression. Next, we have bracket question mark colon ABC bracket. It is a non-capturing group. So let me show you. Suppose we have an expression like A, B, C, D, E, F. Let me create some dummy data. A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Now let's test it. Now if we write A, B, C question mark A, B, C. So you can see this is highlighted. What it means is it will match ABC which has ABC after it. So you can see ABC, ABC is highlighted, right? Next we have question mark is equal to. If we put a is equal to, it matched the same string, but it only highlighted the first part of the string, which is ABC. So it matched ABC which has a ABC after it, but it only returned the part this one. So you can see, here it is also written matching a group after the main expression without including it in the result. So here we can see the result here. So it matched the whole string but only returned without including it. You can see the only this part is returned. Next we have a negate symbol. If we put it, it will do the opposite. It will match every word which is starting with ABC and does not have ABC after it. So here we can see it matched this, it has a space after it. This ABC also has a space after it, and this has also a space after. That's why it matched. If we remove space, you can see it did not highlight this because now this ABC has a ABC. So we can undo it. So similarly, it highlighted this ABC because this ABC does not have a ABC behind it. So we can see all these ABC which match the regular expression are highlighted. We have total 17 matches here. Next we have quantifiers and alternation. Here we can see A star, A plus, A question mark. A star means 0 or more. A plus means 1 or more, and A question mark means 0 or 1. So let's test that. If we put A star here, so you can see all the matches are highlighted. Here A, B, C was written, but C is highlighted because there is a B in between A and C. And as per the condition, star means there should be A 0 or more times. So before that C is required. Before that A is optional. It could be 0 or more times, and that's why this C is highlighted. And similarly, all these C are highlighted because before that we have written star. In case we put a plus here, you can see now A is required one or more times, and then there should be a C. For example, if we written AAC, it is highlighted. If we have AC, it is also highlighted. But if we have anything else in between, it will not be highlighted. Similarly, we have a question mark, which means it is a optional. So you can see this C is highlighted and this AC is highlighted. The difference between the question mark and the star is question mark means 0 or 1 time, and the star means 0 or more times. It could be 4, 5, 6 any times. Next we have A. In the curly braces we can see 5 is written, and it will match exactly 5. Next, another we have a, in the curly braces we have 2 comma, which means 2 or more. So let's test that. A 5, so it will match a 5 times. So if we write, so you can see this is matched. And if we test 2 comma, what it means is a should be minimum 2 times and maximum could be, anytime. So if we write a c, this is not highlighted, but if we write a 2 times it is highlighted. And similarly, if we put a multiple times, it is highlighted, because as per the condition it should be minimum 2 times and maximum it could be anything, anytime. Next we have a curly braces 1 comma 3, which is similar, just the difference is the length of a should be in between 1 and 3. And after that we have a plus question mark, and another one is a in the curly braces we have 2 comma and then again question mark, which is match as few as possible. What it means is, so let me give you an example. For the example, let me write a tag here. For example, if we have a tag, for example, em hello world, and if we are matching, for example, dot plus, and you can see right now it is working as greedy. Greedy means it will match longest possible string. You can see it is starting from this less than to this greater than, and here we can see it started from this less than and ended at this greater than instead of this. But in case if we only wanted to match this and this, not the longest string possible, in that case we have to make it lazy. Lazy means shortest possible string. For this we have to add a question mark. Now you can see it has matched the shortest string possible. Similarly, you can use a curly braces 2 comma 3 question mark, and this will match the shortest string possible. The question mark means here the shortest string, so it will work lazy. Next we have AB or CD, which means it will match either AB or CD. So let's test that. AB or CD. So you can see it matched AB here and CD as well. So if we have written CD somewhere like this as well, it will match this as well. So we have tested all the most important elements of regular expression which are used most of the time and also mentioned in this cheat sheet. Now let's test a regular expression by creating a regular expression for real world case such as a phone number. So let's write a phone number, for example 123456789 and if we want to match this we can write slash t, and you can see it has matched the digits, but we have a separate format of phone number as well. For example 123 hyphen 4567890, we have to create a regular expression for that. So let's create it. So first we will create a group, and we have created a group for digits. Then the length of the group should be 3, and after that we have a hyphen, and you can see this phone number is not supported now because we have put a hyphen here. To support it, we can make a hyphen optional. And next, again, we have digits of length 3. After that, again, we have hyphen, and again, we have digits, and we have length 4. We have to make this hyphen optional. Now you can see our regular expression for matching phone numbers like this, and the phone numbers with hyphen is created. We can use this regular expression in any language you are using. Similarly, you can create any type of regular expression to match your case by using the elements which we have checked in this video.